Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the VILUXY Boho wood beaded chandelier, a stunning 4-light pendant fixture with a farmhouse vibe. Measuring 15.95 by 15.95 by 17.48 inches, it features an adjustable 38-inch chain for versatile hanging options. This chandelier's wood beads and candle globe design bring a cozy, country cottage feel to any space. It's perfect for entryways, dining rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and more, adding warmth and character. Installation is easy with included hardware and instructions, but please note it requires hard wiring and assembly. Plus, it's fully dimmable with a compatible dimmer switch for the perfect ambiance. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.